Singapore and Brunei reaffirmed their close and long-standing defence ties with the commander of the Royal Brunei Navy, First Admiral Othman Suhaili, calling on Defence Minister Ng Eng Hen today.
First Admiral Othman is in Singapore on a 5-day introductory visit. Earlier in the week, he visited the Maritime Defence Exhibition Index Asia at Changi Exhibition Centre, as well as the Singapore Navy frigate RSS Formidable at Changi Naval Base.
MINDEF says both navies interact frequently through a wide range of activities, including professional exchanges.